Hi guys, Tinsel here, and welcome back to another video on Adam's Toyland. Today, I'm going to be showing you this Wild Republic anaconda. The anaconda is the heaviest and second longest snake in the world. Anacondas are amphibious, meaning they can live on land and in the water. A few examples of other amphibious animals besides the anaconda are otters and capybaras. The word anaconda can be described of many creatures of the species, but people mostly refer it to the green anaconda. These snakes are primarily aquatic, and they can eat anything they can overpower with their constriction power, including fish, birds, a wide variety of mammals, and other reptiles. Large anacondas may eat animals the size of tapirs, deer, capybaras, and even jaguars. But large animals like that aren't usually consumed. There is a movie called Anaconda that came out in 1997, and it is pretty bad. Adult anacondas do not have any natural predators, but the biggest risk of anacondas is people fear. Many anacondas are killed because of people fearing of the enormous snake attack. In 2018, the anaconda's population was 9,131. Man, they're endangered. The anaconda lives in South America, in the Amazon rainforests, and in the river. Okay, time for the rating. I rate this Wild Republic anaconda a 10 out of 10. I recommend anybody getting this anaconda if they like Wild Republic, snakes, and boa constrictors. I hope you enjoyed that video. Please click the like button down below and to subscribe. Click the picture of Tinsel to subscribe to this channel. Oh, one more thing. Stay loving Wild Republic snakes. See you later. Bye.